Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group would like to present our presentation about error analysis paragraph. There will be 3 paragraphs will be presented by our group. And our group consists to me, Nadia Rahmati Shifa as moderator, Dwi Retno Suryanti as a speaker, Josephine Magdalena as a speaker, and Rezi Zulia as a speaker. Description type of errors. Omission. It is the absence of an item that must appear in a well-formed utterance. Example, to say she is sleeping should be she is sleeping. Addition, it is presence of an item that must not appear in a well-formed utterance. Example, to say he returned back there should be he returned there. Misinformation. It is the use of the wrong form of the morpheme or structure. Example, to say the dog eats the chicken should be the dog eats the chicken. And the last one is misordering. It is the incorrect placement of a morpheme or a group of morphemes in an utterance. Example, such as what he is doing should be what is he doing. And the next slide will be presented by Josephine Magdalena.
Okay, now I want to tell about the paragraphs. This paragraph was written by Ruby Kesha Paramita, and the title is My Pet. Next slide. Okay, in this paragraph, there's have 3 errors, and I want to explain about 2. The first error in the first paragraph in the second sentences. The sentences is the name is Miko, he is a male furry kitten, and the correct is it's a kitten named Miko. The type of error, misordering and misinformation, because misordering in the 2 sentences that should be combined into 2 sentences and selection of an incorrect element to say name. And the last in the last paragraph and in the second sentence too, the error is I love him so much that he finally disappears. But the correct sentences is I loved him so much that he finally disappeared. The type of error is selection of an incorrect element because to say love or disappears should be loved and disappears with ed. And the next slide will be explained by Rezi Zulia.
Okay, thank you, Josephine Magdalena. Next is the second analysis written by Marshafa Ramida with the theme of favorite sport. The first error is in the sentence since first SMA, which should be since I was in the first grade of high school. And the type of error is omission, preposition, and connector. Because the omission of some requirement elements used to be was were in the past form. Error in the preposition should be in the, and lack of connectors of. Omission, preposition, lack of connectors, and to be verb to are also found in the third sentence in the first paragraph. While in the fourth sentence of paragraph 1, it's found the type of error, selection of an incorrect element. Then the second sentences of the second paragraph 2, 2 months ago until for joining the DBL series, including the type of error, misinformation, preposition, lack of to be verb 2 as shown in the slide. In the last error, analysis is in the sentence I vacuum. Should be I stop a while with the type addition and error in preposition. By reason of addition of some unnecessary vacuum, should be stop a while. Stop means to stop doing an activity, and while a noun phrase that function as the object of a preposition. Okay, that's the analysis of error in the paragraph in the second article. And next, Dwi Retno will analyze the type of error in the third article. Time and place are welcome.
Okay, thank you, Rezi Zulia. Next, we have another paragraph from senior high school student by Sonia Risma Ananta about favorite foods. After read the paragraph, we found some errors, such as in the sentence, I like to eat fried noodles with fried onion, where the word eat shouldn't be written by addition of s. This error is included in the category of error misinformation because the subject I, the verb isn't followed by the letter S. It is different from the subject he, she, and it. So the correct sentences should be, I like to eat fried noodles with fried onions. And we have some other error analysis, as you can see. So you can read the explanation by yourself. Thank you.
So the result we get from data above is 10% of senior high school students use a wrong lexis, and 20% of them use wrong preposition, and 30% of them use wrong noun form, and 40% of them use wrong verb form. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.